Hello guys, welcome back to Loose and Natural. I hope all of you are doing well and staying safe at home in these days. So in this video I'm going to have a communion regarding fasting. Did you ever had done fasting? If not, then watch the complete video to know all about what is fasting and how it can be done, which will provide benefit to your body without harming it. So without any further delay, let's get started. How does a fasting purify? Whenever you are on a fast, the body no longer has to work at digestion. In that period, the body can work at throwing out dead cells and toxins. It is just as if one day, Sunday or Saturday, you are on a weekend holiday and you come home and clean all day. The whole week you are so engaged and so busy that you couldn't clean the house. Just like when the body has nothing to digest, when you haven't eaten anything, it starts self-cleaning. The process starts spontaneously and the body starts throwing out all that it is not needed, which is like a load. Fasting is a method of purification. Once in a while a fast is beautiful. Not doing anything, not eating, just resting. Drinking as much liquid as possible. Just rest and your body will be cleaned. If you feel that longer fast is needed, you can do a longer one. But be deeply in love with your body. If you feel the fast is harming your body in any way, then stop it. If the fast is helping your body, you will feel more energetic, more alive, more rejuvenated and vitalized. This should be a criterion. If you start feeling that you are getting weaker, that a subtle trembling is coming in your body, then be aware. Now it is no longer purification. It has become destructive. Stop it. One should learn the whole science of it. In fact, one should fast with someone who has been fasting for a long time and who knows the whole path very well. All about the symptoms. What will start happening if it becomes destructive and what will happen if it is not destructive. All the things. After a really purifying fast, you will feel new, younger, cleaner, weightless, happier, etc. Your body will be functioning better because now it is unloaded. But fasting is needed only if you have been eating wrongly. If you have not been eating wrongly, there is no need for fasting. Fasting is needed only when you have already done something wrong with your body. And we all have been eating wrongly. Man has lost the path. No animal eats like man. Every animal has its chosen food. If you bring some buffaloes into a garden and leave them, they will only eat a particular grass. They will not go on eating anything and everything. They are very choosy. They have a certain feeling about their food. But man is completely lost and has no feeling about his food. He goes on eating everything and anything. In fact, you cannot find anything which is not eaten somewhere or by other man. In some places, ants are eaten. In some places, snakes. In some places, dogs. Man has eaten everything. Man is simply mad. He doesn't know what is in resonance with his body and what is not. He is completely confused. Man naturally should be a vegetarian because the whole body is made for vegetarian food. Even the scientists concord to the fact that the whole structure of the human body shows that men should not be non-vegetarian. Man comes from monkey and monkeys are vegetarians, absolute vegetarians. Now there are ways to judge whether a certain species of animal is vegetarian or non-vegetarian. It depends on the length of the intestine. Tigers and lions have a very small intestine because meat is already a digested food. It doesn't need a long intestine to digest it. The work of digestion has been done by the animal and now you are eating the animal's meat. It is already digested. A long intestine is not needed. Man has one of the longest intestine, so that it means he is a vegetarian. So one should eat things which are purely natural, just like fruits, nuts and vegetables. Eat it as much as you can. Whatever is natural always gives you satisfaction because it satisfies your body and saturates you. You are fulfilled. If something unnatural happens, it never gives you a feeling of fulfillment. When we fast, our entire energy diverts from digesting food to cleaning our inner body. It starts to push out the toxins accumulated inside during wrong eating, overeating, pollution, and wrong living. If you fast for 1 to 2 days, your tongue becomes a little white, urine turns yellow, and sweat starts to smell. That's a sign that Mother Nature is removing the toxins through our mouth, urine, stool, sweat, and breath. When the detoxing is completed, just within few weeks, the body becomes cleaner, more flexible, the mind becomes clearer, more creative, greater initiative power may develop, and deep spiritual insights may be experienced. Through everyday 16-hour fast, our body can do a little healing every day. 16-hour fasting is when you don't eat any solid food for 16 hours every night. If you eat dinner after 8 pm, eat no solid food till 12 pm the next afternoon. You may have fresh liquids and juices in the morning during the fast. Let's talk about 8 important benefits of fasting. The first one is deep detox for the whole body. Means your body will be totally cleaned. Second one, it will remove your excess weight. Third is you will also get a clear and glowing skin. 4. Your body will have a greater flexibility. 5. You will get tons of energy. 6. Abundant mental clarity. 7. Peace of mind. 8. Greater spiritual amendment and advancement. Fasting is nature's foundational law of all healing and revitalization. Fasting seems to be a part of every answer. Are you confused? Fast. Feeling ill? Fast. Is your stomach sick? Fast. Those who fast regularly know that not eating has a cleansing effect on all areas of mind, body, and spirit. Fasting enables the body to start healing itself. The amazing thing about fasting is that it is nature's supreme medicine. When one begins to fast, the elimination process is set in motion and the entire body commences a cleansing program. Fasting is the best medicine. If fasting cannot cure us, nothing can. 16-hour fasting, also known as intermittent fasting, is a way to incorporate a little fasting in your life every day. It basically means giving a 16-hour break to your stomach every night and eating only in an 8-hour window. So let's get to the conclusion. In the fasting state, your healing power diverts from digestion to healing. In the healing state, it removes toxins accumulated in the body and burns extra fat from our cells and cures diseases. The power that cures you is sitting right inside you. Not in a pill, not in a drug or a vaccine. By fasting, you let this healing power to do its work. I hope you all have understood how fast can play an important role in everybody's life. So just enjoy your life and do some fasting to stay healthy and happy. Be more loose and more natural.